Hi students, welcome to my class. How are you all? Okay, we were talking about fisherman. Does the fisherman catches all the fishes in the sea? No, they won't catches the full fishes in the sea, but they catches only the fishes they need for their survival. That is, they want to sell the fishes so that they get an earning. Okay. In old days, the fishermen had small log boats, but nowadays they have different types of boats. Okay, let's do some problems. Okay, which boat gets how much? In one trip, the log boat brings about 20 kilogram of fishes, but other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate. A. About how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. B. About how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours. C. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 km, how long will it take? So these are the questions we need to calculate it by looking the table. Okay, so you draw this table in your notebook and do this problem. Okay, here we have given the type of boat. This log boat, long tail boat, motor boat, machine boat. Catch of fish in one trip. That is how much fish this boat catches in a trip. These measurements are in kilogram. Okay. So log boat carry 20 kilogram in one trip. Okay. Next is speed of boat. That is how far it goes in 1 hour. Okay, log boat travels 4 km per hour. Per hour means in 1 hour. Okay, let's start do our first question. What is the first question? About how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips? That is, in 7 trips, how much fish will each boat carry? That is the question. Okay, so our first question. About how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips? That is, we need to find out how much each boat will carry in 7 trips. We are given how much it carries in one trip. That is, log boat 20 kg, long tail boat 600 and so on. We need to find out in 7 trips. So how can we do this? This is the first question. Okay, how can we do this? For log boat, we need to multiply it with 7 because we need to find out 7 trips value. So 72, 14 to put this 0. Okay, next is long tail boat. Long tail boat carries 600 fishes in a trip. 600 kilo fishes. Okay. So in 7 trips, carry 7 into 6, 42. And these 2 zeros. Okay. Okay. Next, motor boat. Motor boat carries 800 kilo. So 7 it's a 56 and put these zeros. Okay, next machine boat. Machine box 6000 into 7, so 76, 42. And we need to put 3 zeros. Okay, this is the first answer. Okay, the next question is about how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours. Here we are given the distance speed of the boat. That is the speed it travels 20 kilometer in 1 hour. We need to find out how much distance it travel in 6 hours. Okay, so we have a formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time. That is we have the speed, motorboat speed is 20 kilometer, and we are given the time which is 6 hours. So the answer is 6 into 2, 12, and put this 0, 120 kilometer per hour. So this is the second answer. Okay, the third question. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometer, how long will it take? Here we are asked about the time. We are given the distance. Distance is how much? 60 kilometer, and we also know the speed of long tail boat. Speed is 12 kilometer per hour. So we need to find out the time. How can we find out the time? Here, if we need to find out time, we want to keep it here. When we put this here, it becomes divided by. So time equal to distance divided by speed. Here distance equal to, what is the distance is given in that question, that is 60 kilometer, and speed is, we know that the speed of long tail boat is 12 kilometer. So 60 divided by 12. So we get the answer as 5 hour. Okay, that was the third question. The fish market. Have you been to a fish market? If you have, then you might know why a very noisy place is sometimes called a fish market. This fish market is busy today. Many boats have brought a good catch. The fisherwomen are shouting out their prices to the buyers, meaning, come here, take sardines at rupees 40 a kg. Gracie, never so cheap, get swordfish for rupees 60 a kg. Florama sells prawns for rupees 150 a kg. Kartama sells squid for rupees 50 a kg. Look, Fasila can hardly carry this big kingfish. She says, this fish weighs 8 kilogram. I will sell the wall for rupees 1200. Okay, this is practice time. First question, at what price per kg did Fasila sell the kingfish? Next question, Florama has sold 10 kilogram prawns today. How much did she get for that? Gracie sold 6 kilogram swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kilogram of sardines did Minnie sell? Next question. Bashir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. How many kilograms of squid did he buy? How many kilograms of prawn did he buy? Okay. First question. At what price per kilo did Fasila sell the kingfish? This is the first question. It is given that Fasila have a fish which weighs 8 kilogram, and it is given that Fasila have a fish. What fish? 8 kilogram of kingfish. And it has a cost of Fasila sells 8 kilogram fish in rupees 1200. We are given the weight of 8 kilogram. We need to find out 1 kilogram price. Okay, per kg means 1 kilogram. Okay, how can we find out 1 kilogram fish equal to 1200 divided by 8? Okay, what we get dividing 1200 by 8? We get 15. In 8 it goes one time, balance 4, 40, 5 8s are 40, so 150 rupees. Okay, that was the first answer. Okay, the second question. Florama has sold 10 kilogram prawns today. How much money did she get for that? That is, we know that Florama sells prawn for rupees 150 a kg. For 1 kg prawn, rupees 150. Today she sold 10 kilogram. So what will be the value? 1 kilogram 150, then 10 kilogram. How can we find 10 kilogram 150 into 10? That is 1. Here 2 zeros here, so 2 zeros. Okay, she sell it in 1500 rupees. Third question. Gracie sold 60 kilogram swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kilogram sardines did Minnie sell? Okay, let's see how we can do this problem. For 1 kilogram swordfish, what is the rate? 1 kilogram, we have 60 rupees. 60. Gracie sold 6 kg. So what will be the answer? 60 into 6, that is 360. She sold it for 360 rupees. That is what is given. Now we need to find out. Minnie also got 360 rupees. Minnie also earned 360 rupees as Gracie. We need to find how much kilogram of sardines Minnie sell. Okay, how can we do this? What is the rate of sardines? Minnie sell 1 kilogram of sardines for 40 rupees. She also got 360 rupees. Then how can we find out how much kilo she sell? We need to divide this with this. 360 divided by 40. So we get 9 into 4, 36. So for 9 kg. So we found out that Minnie sell 9 kilogram of sardines. Okay, the fourth question. Bashir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. Okay, first Bashir has rupees 100. Let's find out what is 1/4 of 100. What is 1/4 of 100? 1/4 into 100. We need to divide 100 by 4. We get 25 rupees. Okay, next he spent 3/4 on prawns. 3/4 on prawns. So we get here, dividing this we get 25 and multiplying it with 3 we get 75 rupees, and we add both we get 100. Okay, then the first question is how many, it has two questions, A and B. Okay, how many kilograms of squid did he buy? Okay, what is the rate of squid per kilo? We know that squid per kilo is 50 rupees. Then how much he can buy with 25 rupees? We know that 25 is half of 50. So he can buy, this is for 1 kilogram. So for he can buy how many kilogram? He can buy half kilogram with 25 rupees. Okay, and there is another question, how many kilograms of prawn did he buy? What is the rate of prawns per kilo? 1 kilogram of prawn equal to 150 rupees. Then how much he can buy with 75 rupees? We all know that 75 is half of 150. So here also he can buy half kilogram with 75 rupees. So these are the answers. That is half kilo. Okay. That's all for today's class. Stay safe. Thank you.